Hi, I've seen many people have problem finding video in a particular channel. For example, now you're visiting this video and you want to find other videos from the same channel. Below the video here you will see the link to the channel. Click on this link or click on the logo, doesn't matter. And now you're at the channel, you see all the information. So these are the latest video. If you click videos, you will see all the videos and scroll down and see them all. So this way you can find it, or you can sort them by most popular like this. So you can see them by most popular, or you can sort them by oldest to newest and so forth. But if you want to search in particular video, click in here and let's say search voltage, and here search for voltage, for example, and you will see all the videos related to voltage. And this is, for example, I was looking for. Just click and open it. That's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to thumb up this video.